I will be showing you how to get a mod on Minecraft. So first you'll need, this will be the Too Many Items mod. The link in the description, the link to download it will be in the description. So first we have to see right there. This is the Mac. So download it right there, and when you're done, put it somewhere in the desktop. I have it right there. Open up your Minecraft folder. So to do that, you have to go to your name, and then where is it? That one, let's see. Library. So now it's library. For some reason I can't find it. Applications. You probably see library. Go into library, application support. Applications. Probably just see by the side, library. Then you'll go to application support, and down there will be your Minecraft. But if it doesn't show it, Finder, go to folder, and then that will pop up. When you're in app, you can probably drag in your Minecraft to the side. I'll put this in the description in case. And it'll take you there. And then open your bin, Minecraft.jar. So what you'll need to do, duplicate, put it aside. Rename this, click it, enter, there, .zip, use .zip, double click, you know, extract it right there. Sorry about that. And open it. Go to M. And then say meta M's. Delete everything but manifest that's inside. Empty. And now go back. And go into the Too Many Items. Highlight everything that's inside it. Right click one of them. Copy 22 items. And then you can close that. Now do right click, paste items, or place. Now you may close that. Go in Minecraft. Single player. You may go in your world. I'll create one. Survival. Go. Just wait a while. Right in, you do E, right there. If you don't see it, try clicking go, and then it might appear. You can do all off, on, See, click, click, click. Right click for only one, and keep right clicking for more. Probably survive in this island. Take this way. No, I can't. No trees. And that's how to get too many items, or a mod. You do not require mod loader. It says mod loader off. You can't get mod loader. There's an island. I'll probably survive on it and do a survival island. See ya.